mobile phones more often than people. Our genuine smiles and hugs have been replaced by emojis. So how can you sort of be human and normal? और बहुत सारे दिन अच्छे होते हैं, बहुत सारे दिन बुरे होते हैं. जब बुरे दिन होते हैं तो आप फिर कहते हैं कि मैं शुरू से शुरू करूँगा. नए दिन की शुरुआत शुरू से शुरू करेंगे. मैं इतनी सारी फिल्में करने के बावजूद 550 के करीब फिल्में कर चुका हूँ. मैं नई फिल्म करता हूँ, मैं सोचता हूँ ये शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. Be anything. You are a person without roots is a person who is never going to be grounded. शुरू थे के शुरू. और मैं तो रोज़ नए सुबह उठ के यही बोलता हूँ, सेंसिटिव, ब्यूटीफुल, grounded. It had its soul, which had its heart. And when Shamik narrated me the idea 3 years back, I liked the idea. Then I told him to develop it.
26 বছর পর শুরু থেকে শুরু নিয়ে শহরে অনুপম খের প্রথমেই आपको स्वागत है केटीवी बांग्ला में।
जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आपने खाना खाया?
नहीं खाएंगे इंटरव्यू के बाद। जो पूछ रहे थे कि शुरू থেকে शुरू मीन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, हाउ मच डू यू थिंक दैट गेटिंग बैक टू द रूट्स इज इम्पोर्टेंट लाइक वेरेवर यू रीच?
No, I think your roots make you solid. Without roots, how can you be anything? You are a person without roots is a person who is never going to be grounded. शुरू थे के शुरू. और मैं तो रोज़ नए सुबह उठ के यही बोलता हूँ, आज फिर नए दिन की शुरुआत शुरू से शुरू करेंगे. मैं इतनी सारी फिल्में करने के बावजूद 550 के करीब फिल्में कर चुका हूँ. मैं नई फिल्म करता हूँ, मैं सोचता हूँ ये शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. ज़िंदगी की शुरुआत हर रोज़ नए तरीके से, नए शुरू से करनी चाहिए. और बहुत सारे दिन अच्छे होते हैं, बहुत सारे दिन बुरे होते हैं. जब बुरे दिन होते हैं तो आप फिर कहते हैं कि मैं शुरू से शुरू करूँगा.
After 26 years, like we have seen Bariwali and after that we haven't seen you much. So what's the issue? Like what was the problem that you didn't return?
I was looking for a story which was sensitive, beautiful, grounded. It had its soul, which had its heart. And when Shamik narrated me the idea 3 years back, I liked the idea. Then I told him to develop it. It took him, he used to bring new drafts, and then I used to tell him no. And finally, he came up with the story, which is very good, and we have a great cast, and we have a very good co-producer with us, Friends Communication Productions, and we are going to make more films now in Calcutta.
And we have seen that with time the taste of the audience is also changing. That and there is variety of genres that are coming. So what do you think? Which type of movie basically the audiences prefer? Because we have seen a lot of like commercial films happening, like Animal. If I prefer, people are just running to just watch the movie in theaters. But if we just move to like historical, people are not getting much attracted to it. What is the issue that you think?
Well, I'm not an authority. Why do people see a certain kind of a film? I made a film called Tanvi the Great, and I think this film Shuru The Ke Shuru is the feeling, but people have the right to make anything. People sell vegetables, people have hotels, people make cement business. We don't question that. So it's not the point. Audience goes whatever engages them, but sometimes you want to make a film which hopefully the people will like also.
In this era where people are like engrossed in depression, stress, like due to work pressure, what do you think? What's the main like motto that every person must carry?
Talk to people. Talk to people. We are talking to our mobile phones more often than people. Our genuine smiles and hugs have been replaced by emojis. So how can you sort of be human and normal?
If I come to Shuru Theke Shuru, then if we go back to relationships, we have seen that people are like breaking up, and it's a random thing nowadays. People are like we are like losing friends, relationships, parents because of due to work pressure. We can't even meet our parents. Like, so what do you think that what is the main issue that these relationships are like?
Shuru Theke Shuru has a certain issue which will be tackled. Rest of it is a conversation which we should have some
Lastly,
other time.
where the shooting is going to take place and what are the plannings further?
That I think we will reveal slowly. My director does not want me to reveal the ideas. Okay.
Thank you
Nice.
so much.
Bye bye.
এরপর সাক্ষাৎকার দেখতে হলে চোখ রাখুন কেটিভি বাংলার পর্দায়। ক্যামেরা দেবরাজ দত্তর সঙ্গে অনুষ্কা, কেটিভি বাংলা, কলকাতা।